For many decades, the United States has been struggling with graduating people in science and technology. Now, one of the main reasons for that is that it is not graduating enough people in mathematics. Teaching mathematics requires a certain type of skill. You have to move away from the status quo and teach it in a certain way. It requires imagination, strong imagination. For example, take this lesson. Punky recently moved from Jamaica to the United States. Punky has been getting in lots of trouble because Punky is keeping bad company. Punky has 32 teeth. Punky cursed out her Jamaican mom in the public. How many teeth does Punky have left?